Hey, welcome back to Taking Trades. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Jimmy, and this is our YouTube channel where we show live trades, we show our entries, exits, and we just talk about stocks and ETFs. So today is February 4th, 2019. It was a slow day for me. I took one trade on DGAZ, and that was about it. I had a hard time with the direction this morning, and then it seemed to kind of just be moving sideways in a channel that was not really a channel, and so I took one entry. It was a loser. I bought right at the middle VWAP, and it broke right through it and pushed down, stopped me out. I watched for a while longer, didn't see any other entries, so I thought what we could do today is I'll show you that entry and exit on that play, and then I'll kind of just move into talking a little bit about natural gas, Ugaz, DGAZ, sort of what I'm seeing, and maybe what could be to come tomorrow. But kind of a slow day. But let's break down natural gas. Let's talk about it. Ask me questions. Drop the comments. Tell me if you're red. Tell me if you're green. And yeah, let's go from there. Let's jump on in and dissect it a little bit. So let's go ahead and I guess let's talk about /NG, the natural gas fund, real quick. Let's just kind of see how things are looking here, and I'm just going to pull up the 4-hour 188-day chart. And let's go ahead and talk about what we're seeing. So you can see we've been downtrending here for a while, and then we keep getting sort of like crossing the 15 EMA here and getting rejected back, but all staying underneath the 180-day simple moving average, which is sort of indicating what our trend is, which currently, as you can see on this chart, gently sloping down. So we're getting a down trend right now. And we broke this level of 2.761, which was significant because it was the bottom of the previous pullback a while back, and I can show that to you back here, way back here. So I went back and I plotted this sort of low little valley here that happened a while back. And I was just curious to see what the price action would do when we got around that level. And you can see we got close to it before and sort of set up this consolidation, then popped. Then we rolled downhill. Then we got to this level. And as we got to the level, we just crossed it, got a little bit of a pullback, and now we're selling off again. So we're still downtrending on the 4-hour chart. So any downtrending is going to lend a little favor to DGAZ, which is the inverse ETF for the natural gas fund /NG. So if I dive ahead, let's look at the 1 hour. Let's see what that's looking like. So this is that same sell-off point, and you can see that we're sort of hugging and staying below that 15 EMA and kind of playing off the VWAP. We got the push down, that little pullback we just mentioned, and then we're kind of consolidating. You can see these dojis in here, which are kind of interesting to me. You know, anytime you're getting doji action like that, you could get, it could be consolidating for a reversal higher. Let's just double check the daily chart. Trying to remember if we had any gaps that were recent. I know we had this little gap from in here to here that was kind of interesting, but we're not playing near that. We're kind of selling off. So yeah, it's sort of interesting how we've just broken below that level with natural gas. So it could be, we could be legging lower here. We got 3 red candles in a row, and we broke this significant level, which was a very low from a while back. So if we go to the 2-minute chart and just kind of look at things a little today, you can kind of see that right around market open, right in here, I'll just kind of highlight this whole thing. So the market opened at 7:30, and then we just kind of, I don't know, almost rolled back and forth a little. It looked sideways, but at times it looked like it was following the 180-day simple moving average. And then at other times it looked like it was channeling. So I had drawn out this support level where it kind of had come close to, then it had bounced here and here, then retouched it down here and consolidated and bounced off. So I thought, you know, if we get a pullback down to that level again, I would take an entry there on Ugaz to go high, to go long. But it never really did again until way over here late in the day, and I wasn't watching it then. So I'm going to flip over to the one trade that I did take, which was on DGAZ. So DGAZ was sort of trending up in the morning, had this pullback here, and then basically came up towards, you know, not all the way to the top VWAP, but middle point, sold off. And what my thought was that we were going to touch the VWAP again and go long. So as it came down to the VWAP, this candle here, what it ended up doing was we got to the VWAP, it broke below and then snapped right back up and sort of gave me, I guess, like a dragonfly doji kind of setup where it had a longer lower wick with a little doji setup, and it immediately got rejected. So it made me feel like there was some buying pressure. Apologize for that. Some buying pressure right off the bottom. And when that signal hit, I went ahead and went long. And it held for a second and then immediately broke down. So I got in with 50 shares at 109.61 and then got stopped for a sell at 109.17. So took a $22 loss on 250 or on 50 shares, sorry, and just kind of, yeah, just didn't work. So I was really hopeful I was going to get another setup, and I kept trying to read things to see where we were going, and we just kept selling off to the bottom VWAP. So then when this happened here, I thought, well, maybe we're getting a lower high. You know, maybe DGAZ is now going to head lower. So now maybe Ugaz was going to be our star. So I hopped over to Ugaz and started watching it. But my problem was I didn't feel like I had, I don't know, a super reliable support point to buy off of. I know we got this push here, but I don't feel like this was significant enough to give me a reason to jump in. So yeah, I don't know. It just ended up being kind of a funny day for me. I didn't really get to do a whole lot, and but I hope you guys did. I hope someone took some good trades this morning. I even went back and was looking in the pre-market hours, like really early in the morning, to see if there were any plays. And you know, it was kind of just channeling around, so there really weren't many plays. I don't know. I didn't see a whole lot. So if someone's seeing something I don't, let me know. Or if you're seeing some kind of funny trend in here that's working for you, also let me know. But my main thing was this level of support, just looking to buy off of this, which clearly this was pretty amazing right here. That would have been a really nice push up. But my plan was to, you know, to buy off of it and then kind of sell when we got sort of in this region just right in here. You know, I wasn't looking at the top of the VWAP. I was just looking at where these guys had gone up and pushed back down. So just below those, I was going to take profits. So just didn't go my way today, and that's how it is sometimes. But I hope you guys had a great day trading. Let me know if you're red, you're green. Let me know what you traded. Ask any questions if you have them. And I also want to let you know that tomorrow I've got some craziness going on. So I don't even know if I'm going to be trading. So if you don't see a video from me, it's not because I fell off the earth. I'm just really busy tomorrow. Got some stuff going on, and I may not trade. But if I do end up trading, I will definitely post a recap video and talk about it and answer questions and interact with you guys. So anyway, hope you were green. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Ask me any questions you have, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.